Today's unboxing review and question is, how tall are they? Concerns this 12-pack of solar-powered yard lights. Came with another thing we got, so we actually have two packages. And here's the box that they come in. Solar Pathway lights, 12-pack. Packaged here. "12 top covers, 12 lampshades, 12 posts, and 12 sticks. Instructions, how they work, troubleshooting, battery replacement." So you can see they've also got it, so this plastic also covers this. And if we pull one out, so it answers the question, how tall are they? Without putting it together totally. They are about 16¼ inches tall, top to bottom. Above ground, you're probably going to have a good little more than 12 inches tall. There's also this plastic thing to take off. That's where you use. Assembly and installation. Detach top cover by twisting it in a counterclockwise direction, gently lifting off. Remove the pull tab between the battery and its connector. Counterclockwise, gently lifting this off. Remove this pull tab. All right, need to do that 12 times. Insert stake to the post. We have a pack of 12. We wanted 13. We got 12, so we'll do 5, 5, and 2. So we got one here and one over here. This is for the sidewalk up to the house. We put 5 in this corner here. There. The reason we put them on the corners is no street lights on our street, and I wanted this corner to be lit up so people can see that there's a corner here and a fire hydrant. The other 5 we put back here. We got 3 there, 2 there. So that's how we got it. 5, 5, and 2. We'll see what they look like tonight. There are lights in the corner. Not as bright as I thought they would be. They look, everything looks brighter here on video, but then the 2 in the sidewalk here. I mean, they do provide some light to the sidewalk itself. which is okay. They actually look brighter in the video than they do in real life. And the 5 we put in the backyard. Here again, in video they look brighter than they do, but they don't look that bad.